Okay, so about the chicken again. Good, you can actually eat it. So we're gonna put that under, good. We're gonna go ahead and put that under the solids. Okay, remember this picture? What this one? We're focusing on the smoke. Okay, good job. Close way. Yeah, so this is gonna go under the gas section. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. What about this ice cube? This is a little tricky because this ice cube can take different parts of the state of matter. Great job, Isabella. Yes, the ice cube right now is a solid. And I'm going to use this one last. Let's do this one together. We're looking at the juice part, like the liquid. Woo! Give us a hint. Great job, Chantal. Yes, this goes under the liquid. Okay, friends, so it should look a little like this. I understand we have extras, but go ahead and, you can always add it on at the bottom, but right now we're just focusing on the ones that we actually glued on. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I would like you guys to turn to your shoulder partner, and I want you guys to discuss the following question. Are there states of matter inside the classroom? If you think yes, please say examples of what you see. If you think no, please say why not. I'll give you guys 5 minutes to discuss. Please remember to use the sentence frames around the classroom. Using the sentence, something around me that is made up of a solid, liquid, or gas is, and then your partner will share by saying, I agree, I also see, and or I disagree because. Okay, so go ahead, give you guys a couple minutes to talk with your partner. Awesome. Do we have any pairs that would like to share? Okay, Joshua and Isabella, come on right up. What did you guys talk about? Wow, great observations. Did everyone hear what they said? Okay, they said an example of a solid is the desk. An example of a liquid is the water inside their water bottles. And an example of gas is the air inside the balloons that we have in the back of our classrooms. Great work. Okay, where are my paper people? Okay, come on up, Chantal and Josue. I have worksheets for you guys to pass out to the class. While they're passing out the worksheets, can anyone remind me what a particle is? Oh, thank you for volunteering. What do you remember about a particle? Yes, I'm so happy you remembered. Particles are tiny bits of matter that make up everything in the universe. We are going to be drawing particles inside these boxes together. Let me go ahead and show you. Good. It says, all particles is made of extremely tiny particles. Particles attract each other and are always moving. The first one says, particles in a gas are well separated. How do you think this will look like? Good, not together at all. The next one says particles in a liquid are close together. How do you think that one will look like? Good, more closer together, but not too close together. The last box says particles in a solid are tightly packed. How do you think we will draw particles in this box? Good, very close together, touching each other. This is what particles look like in each state of matter. Great job, friends. Okay, so go ahead and take out your science notebook. And we're going to complete our chart from the beginning of this lesson. The last part of our chart says, well, what did we learn? Well, let's make a book to paste inside our science notebook to say what we learned. We are going to be filling in the blanks of each state of matter's properties together. Does anyone want to say what are solid properties? Good job, Joshua. A solid holds shape and has a fixed volume. Great job. Okay, let's do liquid together. Go ahead, Isabella. Awesome. A liquid takes the shape of a container and has a fixed volume. Okay, who wants to do the last one? Thanks for raising your hand, Chantal. So proud. Gas takes the shape of the container and has the volume of a container. Wow, you guys did great. Now, I would like you guys to draw examples on the empty boxes right next on the edge. Great! It looks like we are almost about done. I would like you guys to get out scissors and glue, and let's go ahead and put the booklet together. What you're going to be doing, you're going to go ahead and cut out what you wrote. We're going to cut them down in strips, okay? So let's go ahead and cut them. When you're done cutting, we're going to fold it in threes. There are dotted lines that you're going to fold on. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, okay? This is your little booklet. I want you guys to also take out the worksheet that you guys did about the particles, and I want you guys to go ahead and cut those out as well. And I would like you guys to go ahead and glue them on to the appropriate strip. So right now I have solids, and we're going to take the bottom part of the solids, the back part, and we're going to put some glue on it. And we're going to glue it on to the part where we wrote down, what did we learn? Okay, so it's going to look like this. We're going to have it like that, and we're going to fold it. And right here, where you folded it, you're going to find the one that is solid. So this is the solids. And you're going to go ahead and glue the back of it. And you're going to put it right here. That way you know this section is solids. So remember, these are the particles. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing for liquid. We're going to get the liquid strip, and we're going to fold it in threes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We're going to glue the end of it to our notebook. Okay, it's going to look like this, and then we're going to obviously fold it, and we're going to glue the liquid one, which is this one that we did together. We're going to glue it to the very front of it. And then lastly, so it's going to look like this. And then lastly, we're going to grab the gas strip that we wrote down together and drew. We're going to fold it again. We're going to glue the very edge of it in here. Go ahead and glue it. Let's go ahead and paste it on our notebook. Fold it, and we're going to put the particles, the ones that are spread out for gas, we're going to glue it to the front. Okay, friends, so at the very edge of your notebook, you should have a little booklet. So when you want to know what you learned, you can go ahead and open it. Here's liquid. And here is gas. Great job, friends. You guys did so good. Okay. So now, after we use our science notebooks, you guys can go ahead and put those away. We're going to do a little test to see what you remember about today's lesson. Okay? So, everyone has this worksheet that the paper passer outers already passed out for you guys. And I would like you guys to write at least one sentence about the solid properties that we learned. And I would like you guys to also draw 3 examples of solids. So go ahead, I'll give you guys 10 minutes to finish that. Oh, and don't forget, what's the number 1 thing we put on our papers? Yes, our name, so please don't forget your name. Okay. The next one you guys are going to be filling out is the liquid properties as well as the examples. Do you guys remember about liquid? Great! Lastly, we're going to be doing our gas. Okay, so I want you guys to tell me the properties of gas as well as 3 examples. Awesome, you guys are doing such a great job. I am so proud of you guys. Thank you for your energy and your participation. You guys are amazing. I hope you guys had fun learning about the states of matter.